this technology development board? Because of this technology development board, if you give your invention, they are ready to give awards. And NIF India, they are also ready to provide the guidance. IndiaInnovates.com. What these people are doing is they are financing for your invention. India Innovates. India is a country. In one side, the country, the people has lots of money. Other side, lots of technology. So they just club these two people. For his invention, these people will finance. So the royalty sharing agreement is always there. These people are ready to help you. And like that, if you go to these websites, you can read a lot of information. And srishti.org, NRDC people are ready to help. TechBiz India and VIPO. There are so many people are there. Not only that, in Tamil Nadu, the entrepreneurship development cell is there. They are ready to give money for your inventions if you get a grand patent. Okay. So make use of all these websites and do the beautiful project work and file a patent. So what we people do is, there are two types of standards we are having. One is called formal examination and technical examination. The formal is the procedural aspects, and applicants, in the sense, who are all the types of applicants? There are now, it is only two groups of applicants. One is called individual name, or the startup companies, or the educational institute. These three people, the fee structure is less. If other than these three above, other than the above, all the people, the fee structure is 3 times more than. So if you ask a question, ask me the question, what is a fee structure? For individuals or educational institutes, the Form 1, it is 1,750, and Form 9, it is 2,750. Form 18, it is 4,400. Form 18, it is 4,400, totally 8,900 rupees. And Form 9 is only optional. If you take away the Form 9, it is 6,000 rupees only. So other than these educational institute, startup and individual, the fee structure is 3.5 times more than this fee structure, right? Fees paid or not. Startup companies. What is startup company? This validity is, don't claim your certificate for more than 5 years. For the first 5 years only, the registration is valid. After that, you cannot claim any benefits using startup company. And startup company, it has a turnover is less than 25 crores. Innovative work certified by the startup company or incumbent. Okay. And if suppose you have a beautiful invention, you can directly file an application to patent office. If you feel it's a complicated procedure means, then you can come through the patent agent. The patent agent, they are the facilitators. Through him, they file a patent, your invention. Okay. So you also can become a patent agent. We are all the patent office is conducting an exam. You need to clear the exam and register the clearance number as a basic science degree. If you have these three things, you can very well write the patent agent exam and you become a patent agent. And what is the difference between patent agent and attorney? Attorney is a legal practitioner, argues a patent case of infringement, but can't file a patent unless he is a patent agent. Previously, the attorneys can file a patent, but today, even though if you are an attorney, you need to write an exam and clear patent agent exam. There are so many checklists are there. First thing is time and timeline to request for examination. If you many people, they file Form 1, but within 48 months time, they need to file a Form 18. Even the same day you can file, or maximum 48 months, you need to file the request for examination. And timeline for complete or provisional. You didn't get the result, but I have an invention. Someone else should not come in between, means you write a provisional specification. And once you write a provisional specification, within 12 months time, file a complete specification. Because within 12 months time, if you get a result, you can very well do the procedure. Why the procedure is introduced means others cannot come in between. The first filing provisional application is your priority. The requisite fee, application, RQ and priority, all these fees you please check. Okay. Then assignment of the inventor. So many inventions, there is a inventor signature is not there. Date and signature of the applicant and priority details and statement of undertaking and Form 6 for change of the applicant, and any amendments you want to do after filing, then Form 13, and power of attorney and permission to, if suppose something related to biotechnology, then we advise you to get a permission from NBA, National Biodiversity Authority. Okay. And petition under Rule 137, irregularity and extension of time and format of drawings. So this is very, very important. Okay. All these 19 points, you please keep it in mind. Okay. University industry collaboration. You please, now what the government of India is advising is all the universities, you please, the benefit sharing, this type of agreement you please make. The commercialization of research results of university is realized through the company or startups. The university, you have beautiful research. So research results, the student can start a startup company. Then through the startup company, you please introduce your product into the society. If a society needs more, then you go to the university. Then the startup companies make a patent of addition, then go to the society. Or I cannot make a startup company. It's a difficult procedure. If you feel that, then university research results to the existing company, give your results to the other existing company. They make a product. They introduce your product to the society, joint sector and contract, and so many things are there. Okay, so many things are there. In this manner, the university industry collaboration and benefit sharing is always there. So this is about that patent related things. So how the foreign countries, the technology transfer. First, you please know about what is the technology transfer. You have a technology. The transfer of technology is very, very important. You can get funds from government. Government in the sense, even for the Tesla car, it's not introduced in India, but in the Tesla, what can I say? The government, US government is giving fund, the 20% fund given to the Tesla. But what these WTO, all these standards are says is, India is a country is giving more subsidies. You please stop giving all the subsidies. That's what the advice given by WTO. If you are not giving if you not stop giving the subsidies, then you cannot enjoy the benefits. That's what they says. But how the counter argument from India is giving the subsidy called it is green box subsidy. But the country like there is some more subsidies, amber box subsidy, blue box subsidy is there. But they are also giving subsidy, but in the form of research. For Tesla car, US is giving 20% subsidy. We are giving subsidy to the poor people. They are giving subsidy to the rich people. The subsidy is the same. So in this scenario, India beautifully argued that we are giving green box subsidy. You stop giving subsidy to the blue box and amber box subsidy. If you stop giving this type of subsidy, definitely we will stop green box subsidy. And one more thing we argued is country is having a poor people. So once the poor people to reach up a good position, then we stop giving the subsidy. So these are the technical points always there. So this university, they are gaining lots of money through their research. So many colleges, how to generate money? If suppose you are running a college, to generate money is, the first thing is only through admissions and fee structures. So India is concentrating, many of the Tamil Nadu colleges concentrating only these procedure. But apart from this procedure, you can get money out of research. If more research comes, there is a technology sharing agreement between the university and students. So 30% is given to students, 70% the college is keeping, and because of that, college can get more money through royalty. So this is also, we are very much lagging in this point of view. Only the admissions we are concentrating. The second thing is research. And the third important thing is aid. So that thing also we are somewhat okay. We are getting the UGC, aid and NAC accreditation and all those things we are getting. That is somewhat okay. The admissions, through admissions also we are concentrating. But at the point of research also we can make money. That thing we are little bit lagging. That thing we are little bit lagging. So one more thing, the duplication. I already told you. If I ask you the question, who is a real inventor of radio, means the people say that Marconi. But actually speaking, the Tesla is also there. He filed the case in the court. But patent granted to this person, earlier person Marconi. But Tesla, there is so many disputes are there. There is so many that disputes settlement body is there. So these also you please consider a timeline also. You please don't wait. If you wait so much of time, then other people will come in between. So many people, they file first they concentrate on the research papers. For example, they file a paper in SAE journal or IEEE journal. Sir, I have filed. Yes, your seniority, your priority has gone, or tomorrow if you come to patent office and file a patent, means your own invention will become your enemy. So you file a patent first, then you go for a research publications. But if suppose you file a research paper, means within 1 year time, as the same invention you file a patent, means then we will not cite your own invention as your enemy. So within 1 year time, if it is more than 12 months, definitely your own invention we cite and patent will not be granted. That you keep it in mind. Some people think that, sir, I shown my invention as an exhibition. So this is not comes under violation. This not comes under violation within 12 months. There also within 12 months you come to patent office. Government communications. Some people, previously what they used to say is, if you have the very beautiful inventions, many things we received, they immediately write invention. I mean, they write up to the former President of India, Abdul Kalam. So he read that inventions, and he forward the applications to intellectual property office, and he asked us to what best you can do, like that. So this type of communication is to the government of India. Sir, I have found some medicine. This medicine will cure the corona. If you write a letter to government of India, whether this is a yearly publication, whether this is a citation, this is not a citation. So given that if you do all those things within 12 months, you come to patent office, that is the safest procedure. Okay. This is about intellectual property rights. There is more things we can talk about intellectual property rights. So almost 1 hour, 15 minutes, 10 minutes over. So remaining 10 minutes, I'll give a time for you to ask more questions. If you have any questions, you please feel free to ask me. Any questions?
I think I will collectively record their questions and I will mail you, sir. Okay.
Or you can type the questions, I'm ready to answer.
Yes, sir. I'll mail you, sir.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Sir, with this, we are closing this session.
Okay.
I thank our resource person, Mr. Ram, sir. We are really enlightened with your knowledge. We all gained the basic knowledge with respect to various topics, with respect to patent or non-patent. And we are thankful to MHRD, IIC, and GKM management, principal, faculty, and students for their enthusiastic support. With this, we are planning to close this session, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.